What's going on, guys? Fab Guy here. Just wanted to teach you a little bit about radius arms. You see that gap on the left? So I have my car on the lift right now. It's fully drooped out. Bump to bump is 12 inches, so technically I could get 12 inches of travel. But the problem is, this heim will begin to bind. See how close that is? So these guys that claim 12 inches of travel, this heim is fully bound up in the pitman arm there. Look at that. Totally bound. That's how you break heims. And you can see this side. See that gap on the left? So at droop, the front axle moves to the driver's side. No shocks are connected, no limiter straps, and it's completely bound up because the radius arms are bound. So instead of bushings in the back, I should have heims and it wouldn't bind as easy. Radius arms work good, but they're not perfect. So as you can see here, the passenger side droops out further. These are 10-inch shocks mounted identically. But look at this. Shock body's hitting the frame because the axle is swung to the driver's side. So I'm gonna put it in the middle, but I'm gonna strap it. So I'm strapping it at 10 inches. Look at this side, driver's side, got acres of clearance. Shock wants to swing way over there, but look how much lower the shock is on this side because the driver's side of the axle is bound up by the pitman arm, by that heim. That's why high steer is the next good option. Look at that. These guys that don't run limiter straps are gonna bust up all their steering. So here, both 10-inch shocks mounted identically. There it is on the stock shock mount. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Make another video. Look at this one. Side's way drooped out. Let's take a measurement. Sorry, video cut off there. Let's take a measurement and see the difference in droop. So 2 1/4 to the bottom of this. Look at that. 2 1/4 to the bottom. That eyelet's at 3 inches. 3-inch difference. But as you can see, sorry, I'm bouncing the camera around. But 12 inches of travel is possible. But check this out. Sorry, the camera angle's all over the place here. Look at the difference. Look at where the bump stop is compared to where it is at the top. Swung way over. This side, similar thing. I mean, that's significant. That's very significant. So this axle with the over the axle track bar sweeps over too far. So I was going for perfect identical angle here, which I have on steering arm and the track bar, but I should have made my track bar go all the way out here. Made it a little longer. This one is a silly bracket too. I can have my track bar out here, but then it would be hitting my anti-rock. So what do you guys think will be better? Run a longer track bar. I could probably get 6-7 more inches out of it and then not have this axle sweep side to side, but I wouldn't be able to run the Curry anti-rock or just run in the 10 inches of travel with the anti-rock, with the shorter over the axle track bar here. So it's just a little suspension geometry for you guys, so you can see what's going on. Look at that gap. That's why your bushings wear out. These should be heims, along with 1 1/4 heims in the bottom here. That's the way to go. That way you get that articulation, wouldn't blow your bushings out so fast. All right, guys, over and out.